In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a document with Adobe Scan. First things first, you'll want to open the Adobe Scan app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so. This step ensures all your scans are safely stored and linked to your Adobe account for easy access later. After you've opened the app, you're ready to start a new scan. Look for a camera icon or a button that says Scan on the home screen and give that a tap. This action will open the camera within the app ready to capture your document. Next, position your document on a clean, flat surface. Make sure it's well lit to help the app capture all the details clearly. Take a moment to align your camera above the document so that the entire document fits within the screen you see through the camera. This setup helps the app's auto detection features work more effectively. As you're positioning your camera over the document, Adobe Scan works diligently to detect the edges and will typically capture the scan automatically. However, don't worry if it doesn't capture the image right away. In such cases, simply tap the camera button to take the picture manually. This flexibility ensures you can capture the scan even in tricky lighting conditions or with more complex document layouts. Once you've captured an image of your document, the app provides a few tools to adjust your scan. You have options to crop the edges if they appear uneven or if there's unwanted area captured. You can also rotate the image to ensure everything is correctly oriented. Additionally, you might want to enhance the scan by switching the color modes or adjusting it to black and white, depending on your preferences or the document type. Once satisfied with your adjustments, find the Save PDF button and tap it. This action will convert your scan into a PDF document, making it easy to view or share later. Now, with your scan complete, the document is safely stored in Adobe Document Cloud. This feature is fantastic for accessing your scans across multiple devices. If you need to share the scanned document, Adobe Scan has made it incredibly straightforward. Simply tap the share option and you can decide how you want to distribute your document. This could be through email, messaging apps, or even saving directly to cloud storage services. And there you go. With these steps, you've effectively learned how to scan, adjust, and save your documents using Adobe Scan, making document management a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy scanning!